Good morning everyone. How are you kids? Acha students, here is a new worksheet for you. As we have done standing line and slanting line and sleeping line before. Remember? We did 3 lines na? Standing line, slanting line and sleeping lines. We did it? Remember? Come on, we are going to revise it one more time. Standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. Remember? We did this. Which line is this? This is standing line. Which line is this? This is standing line. And now the next is slanting line. Okay, how to make a slanting line? From this dot to this dot, like this. Remember? From this dot to this dot. Yay, very good. From this dot to this dot. Which line is this? Which line is this? This is slanting line. This is slanting line. This is right to left, and this is left to right, left to right, left to right. Okay, clear? This is slanting lines. We did standing line, we did standing line, then we did slanting line, we did slanting line, right? And which line we have done? We have done a sleeping lines also. Remember? A sleeping lines. कैसे बनाते हैं sleeping line? From this dot to this, like this. From this dot to this, like this. From this dot to this, like this. This is sleeping line. So we have done 3 lines: standing line, sleeping lines and slanting lines, है ना? I know that you are a very good babies. You are doing all the 3 lines wonderfully, है ना? तो but practice. We need more and more practice. Practice makes man perfect. Practice makes man perfect. आप बार बार बनाओगे, उसके बाद ही आप perfectly कर पाओगे. Okay, you have to practice daily. You have to practice again and again. Then only you can make a perfect lines. And when you are going to make a perfect lines, your handwriting will be wonderful. Okay, so it is very important to do the written work daily, to practice the work daily. Okay babies, now here can you see what is this? What is this? Come on, tell me, what is this? Yeah, this is a hut. This is a hut. This is a hut. Okay, now do you want to make a hut? Do you want to draw a hut? I am going to help you, and I am going to tell you how we can draw this hut. It is very easy for you guys. If you can make a standing line, if you can draw a standing line, sleeping line and slanting line nicely, you can make this hut for you babies. Yay, your mama going to love it. If you are going to make this hut, your mama going to love it. She will going to love it. Okay babies, so now I am going to tell you how to make a heart. How we can draw this heart? See, can you see this heart is made up of 3 lines. The lines we did before na, standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. This heart is also made up of standing, sleeping and slanting. Can you tell me where is standing line here and where is sleeping line here and where is slanting line here? Can you recognize it? Yeah, this is a standing line. है ना ये standing line? Okay, this is 2 slanting lines. Yeah, and this is sleeping lines. So easy ना? ये तो हमें आता है बनाना. We know how to make standing lines. We know how to make slanting line, and we also know how to make sleeping lines. So we can make a house now, right? We can make a house now. So shall we start? First of all, from the top, we are going to draw these 2 slanting lines. I have drawn this tracing lines for you. Okay, you have to just trace on this line. Okay, it will be very easy for you. Just look carefully and trace it. Okay, babies. Then we are going to make this standing lines. Yeah, 2 standing lines, right? 2 standing lines. Then we are going to join this from this one sleeping line. Nice na? So again from here sleeping line, one more sleeping line, then one slanting line. Can you see, babies? This is a slanting line, right? Now there, one more standing line, yeah, standing line, and then the bottom sleeping line, a long sleeping line. Yeah, it is so easy. You just have to trace it. Okay, you just have to trace it. Now our house is ready. The building is ready. Now what we will going to do, we are going to make this door, then this window, and it is also very simple. The doors and windows are made by standing line and sleeping line, right? So come on, standing line, one more standing line, then one sleeping line. Here the door. कोई अंदर कैसे आएगा? Door तो बनाना होता है ना? It is very important to make a door here. Wow! Now this is window. A window. You have window in your house. You have window na in your house. You have window na in your house. So it is very important to draw a window. है ना? Done? Yeah, we have drawn the door. We have drawn the window. Now it is your choice. आप मामा से बोल के इसमें curtains बनवा सकते हो. Okay, window में. Okay, this is all up to you how to color this house. You can color this house nicely. Okay, babies. It's nice ना? Yeah, it is nice. After all, ये हमारे small babies का house है. It is nice, right? So you're going to make it and you're going to color it as you wish. Okay? So color it beautifully. Okay, babies. Draw these tracing lines. First practice these tracing lines. Then draw this heart and color it. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.